Welcome all of you. First of all, I will deliver today the important postulates of quantum mechanics as eigenvalue, eigenequations. In this series of various postulates till today, we have delivered in the classroom. We have defined important postulates including that is of a operator here, psi square here. Now I will deliver today the next postulate. Let us proceed the next postulate of quantum mechanics, that is of eigenvalue and that is of eigenfunction and that is of eigenequation. What does this equation, important equation, state to us? According to, in order to define about that is of eigenvalue and eigenequation, and earlier some part of its operator will be used here in order to define about that is of eigenequation here. The mathematical form one can write here as that is of alpha psi is equals to that is of lambda psi here. Again, that was the famous physicist who firstly started give us the necessarily conceptual of electronic species here. When any that is over here, alpha is now operated here to any function, any that is of a selected function here. If a new that is a numerical value is produced here by the multiple of the same function, the equation is known as that is of eigenequation. Here alpha that is denote as an operator here, psi 1 that is of first one function. When is applied here, it is ready to operate here in the mission of that is of electronic species also, so that alpha is now operated. On this we have chosen for that is of experimental value that is of psi, and the psi again is value is now produced here by the integer, multiple integer value of that is of psi lambda. The lambda, this numerical value will be defined as that is of a eigenvalue here. Whole here psi, it will be known as that is of eigenfunction operator or that is of eigenvalue here. Listen to me once again. In quantum mechanics, eigenequation, eigenfunction and eigenvalue plays the important role to define the position, electronic position, momentum of electronic device. In the series of various postulates, we have in previous lecture we have discussed the next postulate based depending upon regarding upon that is of eigenequation is here. In eigenequation here, that is of three important quantum mechanical term will be used here: eigenvalue, eigenfunction and that is of eigenequation. Eigenfunction, eigenvalue and that is of eigenequation here. In order to explain, in order to define further, let us one important interested example here, that is here alpha psi is equals to that is of lambda psi here, where alpha denotes here as that is of operator. When is now operated on this function, suppose that is of a same value that is of a same function is now produced here by the multiple integer value of lambda. This equation is known as eigenequation, and the function in which we operate the value, the device we operate, we apply is known as the alpha is known as that is of operator. Alpha denotes as that is of eigenfunction here, and lambda denote here as that is of eigenvalue here. Again, by the same multiple of lambda is now produced here, is regenerated here. The whole equation is now known as that is of eigenequation here. A specific example for the application, let us apply by chosen important equation. If that is of alpha is equals to d upon dx, denote any operator here. Psi we choose here, we take here as that is of a to the power x, that is of any function here. Alpha psi, alpha denotes here that is of d by dx as that is of differentiation of as an operator. Now that is of psi, that is equals to it is the power x is here. Differentiation of this one quantity Ax, first of all we will differentiate, that is of this upper one quantity Ax. X, since that is variable and that is a constant, so A will be remains as such, and I am mentioning here A is a constant quantity as such. Now complete define e to the power x will be, that is of e to the power ax here. The whole after the operation of alpha d by dx on the function of psi e to the power ax we have selected, we have chosen here. Again this e to the power ax is produced here by the multiplication, by multiplying of that is of constant value a, which is just equals to that is of lambda. So lambda is equals to a is equals to denote here numerical value, that is of eigen value here. Now this function who involved in this mission, who involved in this operation, this alpha is known as, that is of alpha is known as e to the power x, is named as that is of eigen function. Psi denotes here e to the power x denotes any function here, alpha any operator, eigen function that is of a is equals to lambda is known as that is of eigenvalue, or whole that is of equation is known as that is of eigen equation here. Schrodinger wave equation can also be written in the form of eigen equation also, that is of h psi is equals to that is of e psi. H psi is equals to e psi here. Since we know that here that is of h denotes here that is of Hamiltonian operator, its mathematical value one can write is that is of h is equals to minus h square upon 8 pi square m, and further del square plus v when we apply on a function, first one function, final function, that is the same Hamiltonian operator h is now applied on that is of psi. So it will produce a new that is of a physical quantity, say E, by multiplication of the same generation of the function here. So here you know that here E will be known as lambda is equals to that is of E energy. Lambda is equals to here E is equals to denote as that is of eigenvalue. Eigenvalue means constant value, and this one function who involved into this experimental value, such function is known as that is of eigen function. Whole equation is known as that is of eigen equation here. After expressing of various kinds of operator, eigenvalue, eigen function, eigen equation, let's proceed the next, that is of postulate of important postulate of that is of quantum mechanics. It is possible to write any normal physical quantity can be expressed quantum mechanically into one branch to the another branch. It is the next postulate. Next postulate is mainly concerned. It is similar process as that is of operator. The difference is that here by operation, in the case of operator, we we change one physical quantity to the another one quantity by the variation of state variable condition. But next postulate can be included here, that is of directly. It is also possible to write some important values in quantum mechanics is reserved, is fixed for various quantities like moment of inertia, velocity, specific velocity, energy, kinetic energy. Out of these I am writing here some important, and that is of interested example which will be included into that is of next postulate, that is of px is equals to h upon twice pi iota delta upon delta x. Similarly, one can write the normal value of momentum in y direction in reference of quantum mechanics, that is of py is equals to h upon twice pi I delta upon that is of delta I. Similarly, regarding to that is of position x, capital X, one can write into the form of that is of small x, capital Y as an ordinate. Here abscissa capital X one can write, one can mention in the form of small x. Similarly, as an ordinate, as in that is the ordinate, one can write y will be equals to that is a small y, and z direction 3D, one can write capital Z into small z. Some important interested example I state here. There are so many another one physical quantities that can be mentioned, converted, maybe written in one form to the another form for the point of view that is of quantum mechanical postulates here. Last one postulates here. I am mentioning here on the blackboard here the last postulate of quantum mechanics, that is here last one postulate here. Any physical quantities or thermodynamical quantities can be written in the form of that is of minus alpha to that is of minus infinite to plus minus infinite to that is of plus infinite, in the form of psi inside that is of p observed quantity, observed value here, psi that is of psi star dt upon after removing observed physical quantity. One can write minus infinite to plus infinite minus infinite to psi that is of psi star that is of d tau divisible by the multiplication of inside of psi and its conjugate psi star, which is present inside of observed quantity. Observed quantity may be of velocity, internal energy, kinetic energy, momentum. After removing numerator denominator, one can divide as this one value by putting down this one value which is present by both that is of angular method. This value can be known as that is of average value, and average value it is known as that is of expected value. Average value in quantum mechanics that is of expected value. Average value that is of average value, we can say it will be mentioned by the sign both in opening and that is of closing style. This one it will be mentioned, this value is known as that is of expected value. It generally in routine way what will be the value of velocity, average velocity. So we define how many numbers here available here. Suppose 5 molecules moving with the velocity of 10 meter per second, 5 molecules, similarly 10 molecules moving that is of 15 meter per second, 15 molecules to moving 30 meter per second, 20 molecules moving that is of 40 meter per second here. So all these 10 plus 15 plus 30 plus 40, 10 plus that is of 15 plus 30 plus 40 divisible by total number of molecules 5 plus 10 plus that is of 15 plus that is of 20 to define as that is of average velocity here. I have just mentioned here by taking the various molecules of a gas system, various molecule having the various velocity, how will you calculate the value of average velocity? The general formula I have mentioned here, velocity divisible by various velocity, sum of various velocity divisible by that is of total number of moles or molecules, one can calculate the value of average velocity. But in the case of quantum mechanics, the expected value or that is of expected value of momentum, expected means that is of average value. One can suppose you are going to calculate the expected value of momentum, then you have to undergo through the process, through the formula of this one. This value you have to write down between that is of these two, that is of angular form also, and you have to write down in integrated in quantum mechanical way this one quantity by putting down middle of the function psi and psi star, and divisible by removing of that is of p integrated psi to psi star d tau here. Now dear students, come back. I delivered to you, I explained to you three importance that is of topics included in our quantum mechanics. Topic 1, mainly concerned with that is of properties of psi. Topic 2 may concern the property of that is of psi and that is of psi square, physical significance of psi and psi square. And topic 3 is mainly concerned that is of important postulate of that is of quantum mechanics. Suppose in the examination question is set, what are the properties of psi, then you have to write down 4 points regarding to I have delivered in the previous lecture, that is of continuity, single value, finite value. Suppose question is set in the examination that describe or write down about the physical significance of psi and psi square, then you have to write down that is of 7 points here, 7, that is of 7 points here. Or suppose question set is such a way, write down the important that is of postulate of quantum mechanics, then I suggest you, I advise to you the summation of the points of T1 plus T2 plus these points, T1 plus T2 plus some other points means that is of regarding eigenvalue, eigenfunction, operator, and that is of normalization function, orthogonal function, expected value and position value. These points should also be added by the students while explaining about the important postulate of quantum mechanics. The quantum mechanics is the sum of 2 important added points, topic T1 points plus topic T2 points plus so many other specific points, operator, Hamiltonian operator, Laplacian operator, eigenvalue, eigenfunction, normalization function, orthogonal function. Tomorrow I will deliver very outstanding topic of that is a particle in a 1D in one dimensional box. Tomorrow, thank you very much.